Hello everyone and welcome back to the PopcornFX channel. In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to export a simulation that has already been made in Houdini. So let's get started. First, we'll go to the Autodop network, select the Flip Solver node, then in Particle Motion, in Behavior, we'll check Add ID Attributes and Age Particles. Then in the Receding tab, uncheck Recede Particle. After that, go to the Dot Import, add the Rob Geometry node and connect it. Edit the path of your output file, fill in the name, and add $F03 and .json for the file format. Select Render Frame Range and click Save to Disk. And click Save to Disk. When it's done, open PopcornFX, right-click and select Import Offline Simulation. Select the folder containing your JSON file. In the Import Simulation window, keep at least only position and ID fields. Once imported, create a new simple effect and name it. We'll name this one Flip Fluid. Open your asset, and in the editor, deactivate the looping system. Select your layer, set the spawn count and duration to 0. Check Use Simulation Cache and select your .pksc file. Particle motion isn't smooth, so to correct this, we need to check Simulation Cache layer position. And there we go, we successfully imported the simulation. This wraps up our video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. And as always, thank you for watching.